What's up, guys? Happy New Year's. Okay. Listen, I just want to say that this year has always been what people have been looking forward to. I never thought it'd come, and it's finally here. 2026. And as much as I hate to admit it, I was actually just really terrified. And now I'm looking forward to it. I mean, Spider-Man, Brand New Day, Avengers, Doomsday, and all the other kinds of exciting things. And guys, I just want to say that you are the highlight of my year. This is the most anticipated year of 2020s or whatever, you know? It's just so exciting. And I'm using some new camera tech for it this year. I'm using my gimbal, which is tracking me right now. And the coolest part about it, I'm able to use my mics with this thing. And it is so liberating. Wait, hold on. Hello. I hope y'all have an amazing 2026, and I'm hoping to give y'all some awesome content.